10 circular homes, a budget most people spend on a pickup truck, and one design hiding inside this list that builders in Texas are quietly calling the smartest low-cost build of 2026. Most people have never heard of a Rondavel-Inspired Barndominium. The ones who have are living in homes that look like they cost 3 times what they actually paid. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which design works for your land, your budget, and your lifestyle. But stay until the final design, because that one changes everything you thought you knew about affordable home building. Before we dive in, if this kind of alternative housing content is what you have been searching for, hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a video like this one. What is a Rondavel-Inspired Barndominium? Let's make sure we're all on the same page before we get into the designs. A rondavel is a traditional African circular dwelling, most commonly associated with Southern African architecture, featuring round walls and a conical thatched roof. These structures have existed for thousands of years and were engineered for one thing above everything else: efficiency. Circular walls naturally distribute wind load evenly, meaning they resist storms better than any rectangular building of the same size. They require less material to enclose the same square footage as a rectangular structure, and the conical roof design sheds rain perfectly in every direction. Now, builders and homeowners in America in 2026 are taking that ancient wisdom and fusing it with modern barndominium construction techniques: steel framing, spray foam insulation, polished concrete floors, open concept radial layouts where every room flows from a central hub outward like spokes on a wheel. The result is something that looks completely unique, performs incredibly well structurally, and in many cases costs significantly less than a traditional rectangular home of the same size. Here is what most videos won't tell you. Circular structures enclose more usable area per linear foot of wall than a square or rectangle. That means you are paying for less exterior wall to get the same amount of living space. That efficiency directly hits your budget in a positive way. Now let's get into the designs. These 10 are ranked from starter builds to the most ambitious design on the list, and I'll give you honest cost ranges for each one based on 2026 material and labor pricing. Stay with me because design number 7 includes a layout trick that almost every architect who sees it says they wish they had thought of first. Design 1. The Homesteader Circle. 800 SQ Fert, $38,000 to $55,000. The Homesteader Circle is the entry point for anyone who wants to experience circular barndominium living without taking a massive financial risk. At 800 square feet, this is a single-bedroom, one-bathroom build, centered around a compact great room. The walls are steel-framed and paneled. The roof is a simple metal conical design. Spray foam insulation keeps it tight and energy-efficient year-round. The honest cost breakdown for this one ranges from $38,000 on the very low end if you are doing significant owner-builder work, to $55,000 for a contractor-finished shell with basic interior. For true turnkey, including foundation, utilities hookup, and interior finishes, budget $65,000 to $78,000. That is under $90,000 for a fully finished, permanent, durable home on your own land. Who is this for? Single individuals, couples looking to downsize, or anyone wanting to build a guest house, rental unit, or weekend retreat. In rural areas, this size qualifies for simplified permitting in many counties, which means less red tape and faster builds. The one drawback is that 800 square feet requires very intentional design. You cannot waste space, but the circular layout actually helps here because there are no dead-end hallways. Every square foot is accessible and functional. What happens when you add 400 square feet to this design? Everything changes. Keep watching. Design 2. The Delta Circle. 1000 SQ Fort. $48,000 to $72,000. The Delta Circle steps up to 1,000 square feet with a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom layout. This is where the Rondavel-inspired design starts showing off. The central hub becomes a proper great room with enough space for dining and living combined. The 2 bedrooms sit on opposite sides of the perimeter, giving each occupant privacy while sharing the central common space. Shell cost for this design runs $48,000 to $72,000 for materials and assembly. Full turnkey with a basic to mid-range interior finish lands at $80,000 to $88,000, keeping it just under our $90,000 target if you are careful with finishes. The structural advantage at this size becomes very clear. Because of the circular perimeter, wind resistance is exceptional. Several builders in tornado-prone states like Oklahoma and Kansas have adopted this layout specifically for that reason. One design coming up later in this video was tested against 130 miles per hour wind loads and passed without modification. You will want to see which one. Design 3, the Prairie Round, 1200 SQ Fert, $55,000 to $80,000. The Prairie Round is where families start taking serious notice. At 1,200 square feet, you can fit 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a full kitchen, and a generous central living area. The conical metal roof at this scale starts to look genuinely dramatic from the outside. Interior ceiling heights at the center of the building naturally reach 14 to 18 feet, depending on the pitch, giving the living area a vaulted feeling that most homes at this price point cannot compete with. Shell and turnkey costs range from $55,000 for a budget owner-builder project to $85,000 for a mid-range contractor-finished home. Keep in mind that foundation costs for a 1,200 square foot circle run between $9,000 and $14,000, depending on soil conditions and local pricing. One honest consideration here is kitchen design. Curved walls require angled or custom cabinetry in some areas. Modern cabinet manufacturers have solutions for this in 2026, but it adds roughly 8 to 15% to your kitchen cabinet budget compared to a standard rectangular kitchen. Plan for that. The next design solves the kitchen problem in a way nobody expects, and it keeps the budget under $90,000. Design 4, the Sunburst, 1,100 SQ Ford, $52,000 to $79,000. The Sunburst design is the kitchen-first circular Barndominium. Instead of fighting curved walls in the kitchen zone, this layout carves out a flat-walled kitchen alcove on the north side of the circle, giving you straight cabinet runs and a standard layout while keeping the rest of the home curved. It is a simple engineering decision that saves money and frustration. At 1,100 square feet, the Sunburst fits 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and the straight-wall kitchen feels like an upgrade, even though it costs less to build than a fully custom curved version. Shell costs land at $52,000 to $70,000. Turnkey, including the flat kitchen alcove edition, runs $74,000 to $84,000. This is one of the most practical designs on this list because it takes the one legitimate challenge of circular construction and eliminates it without giving up any of the visual appeal. You have seen practical. Now wait until you see what happens when someone prioritizes views over everything else. Design 5, the Panorama, 1,400 SQ Fit, $63,000 to $88,000. The Panorama is designed for one specific type of person, someone who has land with a view and refuses to waste it. At 1,400 square feet, this design places the main living area and kitchen in a continuous curved arc facing the best view direction, while bedrooms sit on the opposite side. Nearly the entire front half of the home is floor-to-ceiling glass panels, set into the curved steel frame. The glass adds cost. There is no getting around that. A full glass arc system for a 1,400 square foot circular home runs $18,000 to $28,000 in 2026, depending on the glazing specification and wind load rating. That is a significant line item, but the energy performance with proper low-E glass and thermal breaks is still excellent, and the visual result is genuinely stunning. Total turnkey cost for the Panorama runs $78,000 to $88,000 on a flat, prepped site. On a sloped site requiring cut-and-fill grading work, budget an additional $8,000 to $20,000. The next 2 designs are where things start getting really interesting, and where the budget flexibility truly shows up. Design 6, the Cluster Rondavel, 2 circles connected, 1,600 SQ Foot. Combined, $74,000 to $89,000. Here is where the Rondavel tradition becomes truly brilliant. In traditional southern African villages, multiple Rondavel structures were built in clusters, connected by covered walkways or shared courtyards, with each structure serving a different function. Modern builders have adapted this exact concept. The cluster Rondavel connects 2 circular structures with an enclosed breezeway. The primary circle, at roughly 1,000 square feet, handles all living functions: great room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and 2 baths. The secondary circle, at around 600 square feet, becomes whatever you need most: a home office, studio, workshop, guest suite, or 3rd bedroom. Building 2 smaller circles instead of 1 large one keeps each structure in the simpler, lower-cost engineering range. Combined turnkey cost for both structures plus the breezeway runs $74,000 to $89,000 in most rural markets. In higher labor cost areas like California or the Pacific Northwest, add 20 to 35%. The cluster design is also brilliant for phased building. Many people build the primary circle first and live in it while saving to add the secondary structure later. You get a finished, livable home from day one without carrying the full project cost up front. Design 7 is the one I mentioned in the introduction that architects keep talking about. This is it. Design 7, the radial spoke, 1,500 SQ fort, $65,000 to $87,000. The radial spoke is genuinely different. Rather than a smooth-walled circle, this design uses 8 flat wall segments arranged in an octagon that approximates a circle. Each of the 8 sides is between 12 and 16 feet wide. The interior space radiates from a central point, but the walls are straight, making standard framing, standard insulation, standard cabinetry, and standard windows fully applicable. Here is what makes this the design that builders cannot stop talking about in 2026. You get almost all of the structural and spatial benefits of circular construction, with none of the custom-build complications. Standard rectangular windows, standard door frames, standard drywall finishing on flat walls, standard cabinet runs in the kitchen. The octagonal exterior still looks dramatically different and beautiful from the outside. The interior still flows with the radial open concept energy. But every contractor and every subcontractor knows exactly how to work on it. Cost at 1,500 square feet, runs $65,000 to $87,000 turnkey, making it one of the best value designs on this list. Engineering is straightforward. Permitting is simpler. Build time is faster. There is one more design concept in this list that takes everything the radial spoke does and adds a feature that practically eliminates your heating and cooling bill. Keep watching. Design 8, the Bermed Circle, 1,200 SQ Fort, $61,000 to $84,000. The Bermed Circle is a Rondavel-Inspired Barndominium built into a hillside, with earth bermed up against the back half of the circular exterior. This is called earth sheltering, and it is one of the most effective passive energy strategies available in residential construction. Earth maintains a constant temperature of 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, regardless of surface conditions. By burying the back half of your home into a hillside, you create a natural thermal buffer that dramatically reduces how hard your HVAC system has to work. Reported energy cost reductions from earth-sheltered circular homes range from 40 to 70% compared to standard above-grade construction. On a small home, that can mean utility bills of $30 to $60 per month, even in extreme climates. The circular shape works exceptionally well with earth sheltering because the curved perimeter resists lateral soil pressure more effectively than flat walls. Structural engineers familiar with this building type will confirm that the circular form actually handles the berm load better in most configurations. Turnkey cost for this design runs $61,000 to $84,000 when you have appropriate hillside land available. Site selection is critical. This is not a flatland design. There are 2 more designs to go. One of them costs under $45,000 to build, and the other is the full dream version of everything this video has been building toward. Design 9, the Micro Rondavel, 600 SQ Fort, $28,000, tells $44,000. The Micro Rondavel is the most affordable permanent structure on this entire list, and one of the most versatile builds in alternative housing in 2026. At 600 square feet, this single-room circular barndominium functions as a 1-bedroom home, a high-end vacation rental, a guest cottage, or an income-generating short-term rental on rural property. Shell kit costs for a 600 square foot steel-framed circular building run $14,000 to $22,000 depending on wall height and roof pitch. Foundation for this size is a simple 600 square foot concrete slab at $4,500 to $7,000. Interior finishing at a basic to mid-range level adds $12,000 to $18,000. Total turnkey, $28,000 to $44,000 on a prepared site with existing utility access. The vacation rental market numbers for unique circular structures are compelling. In 2025 and into 2026, distinctive alternative dwellings on rural land commanded nightly rates between $120 and $280 on major rental platforms. A 600 square foot micro Rondavel in a scenic location could generate $15,000 to $35,000 per year in rental income. At a $35,000 build cost, This structure can fully pay for itself within 2 years. The final design on this list is the one that combines every single advantage we have discussed today into one complete build. This is the design worth saving the video for. Design 10, the Grand Rondavel Compound. 1,800 SQ Fort. $82,000 to $89,000. The Grand Rondavel Compound is the flagship design of this entire video and the most ambitious build achievable under $90,000 in most rural markets in 2026. This design combines 3 elements: a primary circular barndominium of 1,200 square feet, a secondary 400 square foot circular studio or bedroom structure, and a 200 square foot covered outdoor living area connecting the two. The primary circle handles the full-time living, open great room, full kitchen with the flat wall alcove solution from Design 4, master bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and utility room. The secondary circle is a guest room, home office, or creative studio. The covered outdoor connector becomes a year-round outdoor living and entertaining area, sheltered from rain but open to the breeze. Why does this stay under $90,000? The compound approach keeps each individual circle in the smaller, simpler engineering range. 2 smaller circles cost less to build than 1 large circle of the same combined square footage, because complexity does not scale linearly. Shell costs for the full compound run $48,000 to $62,000. Foundation for both structures, $12,000 to $16,000. Interior finishing across 1,600 interior square feet, at a practical mid-range level, $28,000 to $36,000. Covered connector, $4,000 to $7,000. Total, $92,000 to $121,000 at a full turnkey level with contractor labor. Now here is the honest note. Hitting the $90,000 mark on this design requires owner-builder involvement on the interior finishing phase. Shell and foundation should still be professionally done. But if you are willing to do your own painting, your own flooring installation, and some of your own trim work, the $90,000 target is achievable. Many people in the alternative housing community build this way intentionally, phasing labor and finishing work over 12 to 18 months while living in the primary circle. Honest considerations before you build. 3 things that no one talks about enough when it comes to circular barndominiums. First, permitting. Circular structures are less common, and some counties require additional documentation for unusual footprints. Budget extra time, not necessarily extra money, for the permit process. Work with a designer or draftsperson who has experience with non-rectangular residential plans. Second, furniture. Most furniture is designed for rectangular rooms. In curved spaces, you will either need to select furniture carefully, commission some custom pieces, or use the curved walls as a feature by built-in storage and seating along the perimeter. This is not a deal breaker. It is a design conversation you need to have early. Third, resale. Circular barndominiums are highly desirable in rural markets, and increasingly in ex-urban areas. However, appraisers who are not familiar with alternative housing may undervalue them against comparable traditional homes. If you plan to sell within 5 years, research your local market before you build. If you plan to own long-term, this concern largely disappears. Every single design in this video is buildable in 2026 with real materials, real contractors, and real budgets. The Rondavel-Inspired circular barndominium is not a concept or a render. It is an ancient architectural form that modern builders are discovering, delivers structural performance, spatial efficiency, and visual beauty that rectangular construction simply cannot match at these price points. Whether you start with the $28,000 micro Rondavel or you build the Grand Rondavel compound at $89,000, you are building something that will last 50 to 75 years, resist wind and weather better than most traditional homes, and look completely unlike anything in your neighborhood. The question is not whether you can afford to build one. The question is which design fits your land and your life right now. If this video helped you see circular barndominium design in a new way, drop a comment below and tell me which of these 10 designs you would choose and why. I read every single comment. Like this video if you found it valuable, subscribe if you are serious about alternative housing, and check out our related videos on affordable barndominium builds. I will see you in the next one.